This video, I'll be sharing 3 smoothie recipe that will help to keep you hydrated, to help to improve your skin texture and also provide all the nutrients that your skin needs. The first smoothie is an anti-aging smoothie. First ingredient is blueberry. Blueberry are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that will help to promote healthy cells growth, reduce inflammation, and even protect you against sun damage. I have a handful of spinach. Spinach is a good source of vitamin A, beta carotene, and C. The vitamin A in spinach will help to reduce breakouts. So I'll be making use of strawberry. Strawberry are rich in antioxidant, natural exfoliator. It will help to brighten your skin, fight acne, and also keep you hydrated. I'll be adding 1 banana. Banana are high in potassium, which will help to support blood flow to the skin. Then lastly, I'll be making use of orange. Orange is a good source of vitamin C, which will help to stimulate the production of collagen in the skin. So I'm going to squeeze to get the orange juice. So when I'm done squeezing the orange juice, I'm going to add it into the blender, combine all the fruit and vegetable, cover the blender and blend until smooth. For the second smoothie, I'll be making use of pomegranate. Pomegranate is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which will help to encourage the growth of new skin cells. The antioxidant property in pomegranate will help to reduce the signs of aging and help your skin to maintain a youthful appearance. So I'm going to add the pomegranate into the blender. I'll be making use of raspberries. Raspberries are rich in vitamin C. It will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm also going to add the raspberries into the blender. So I'm going to be making use of 1 apple, which I'm going to cut, remove the seed. Apples are loaded with vitamin C. So when I'm done adding the apple, I'm going to add water, cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, you can decide to strain or you can decide to enjoy the fiber content of this drink. For the third smoothie, I'll be making strawberry mango glow smoothie. I'll be making use of mango. Mango are packed with nutrients like vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and the vitamin C in mango is needed for production of collagen. So I'm going to cut the mango and remove the mango flesh. So for this smoothie, I'll be making use of almond milk. Almond milk is a good source of vitamin E, which will help to improve our skin texture. So I'm going to add the milk into the blender. Making use of strawberry, feel free to use fresh or frozen strawberry. Strawberry are rich in vitamin C. It will help to hydrate your skin and also brighten your skin. So into the blender, I'll be adding the strawberry and the mango. When I'm done adding the strawberry and the mango, I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this healthy skin glowing smoothie. These smoothies are packed with nutrients and antioxidants which will help to hydrate and keep your skin to glow. Thank you all for watching.